guys, welcome back to another episode of Map TV. Today we've got something really special for you. It's HP Tuner's brand new demo car. It's a 2020 Golf R and we're going to be fitting some suspension bits, a Maxton kit and a full custom tune. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. So now the rear half of the chassis has been enhanced, it's time to move on to the Maxton body kit, so let's get into it. So that's it guys, the Maxton kit is all installed. The last thing to do is hand it over to Dee so he can do a full custom tune.
Right, so Teddy's finished with the car now. We've got the Golf on the dyno. We're going to be running it up stock, make sure that the car's working as it should do in stock form as always. Once we're happy with the logs, we're going to be moving on to our tuning process. This is just a basic stage run tune. The car is 100% stock, so it should be nice and easy. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, so we've done the stock power runs now on the Golf R. It's running 265 wheel horsepower and 280 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. All the logs look perfect. So what we're going to do now is apply our stage 1 tuning file as a base, and if we can get any more power from that, we can optimise it further. So get our stage 1 file, flash into the ECU, do some testing, and then we'll go from there. Right, so first run on the stage 1 software, we've picked up nearly 40 wheel horsepower and 50 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. So the car's sat at 300 wheel horsepower and 320 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. The logs look perfect. The throttle is slammed wide open, whereas before on the stock software it had quite a lot of throttle closure for some reason. I do not know. Usually a stock car should work perfectly. But yeah, throttle's wide open now, boost control's perfect. It is pulling quite a bit of timing at the top end, but with this being an OPF model car, the back pressure in the exhaust system creates quite a lot of heat, so it does actually make the ECU pull a bit of ignition timing because of the extra heat that's generated. So it is more or less done. So we'll probably run it one more time, see if that knock retard clears a little bit once we've run it up twice and we've got a bit of airflow moving through it. And if the logs are alright at that, then we can call it done and we can take it out and test it on the road.
as you've just seen, guys, Deer's fully custom tuned the car. He's took it out on the road for a good drive just to make sure that everything works correctly and as it should under real life conditions. Now, we are done with this car for now, but it is having some more work done, so make sure you liked and you subscribed so you can see more of this car's content and other content that's coming up in the future. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.